Hello, friends. I am Vitalina. I am very happy you're here today. Thank you for learning English with us again.
Hi, everyone. I am Jake. Today, I am excited and also a little scared
Scared? Why are you scared?
because today we talk about questions. Many English questions. And my brain says, Jake, run.
Please don't run. Stay with us. We need you. Friends, today we have a practical lesson. We will practice 11 important types of questions in English. These questions help you speak in shops, on the street, with friends, at work, everywhere.
So if I learn these 11 types, I can survive in English, right?
Yes, you can survive and also feel more confident. We will go from easy questions to more difficult questions. We will explain everything very slowly and clearly, like for a 10-year-old child. Simple words, short sentences, many examples.
Perfect. Today, my brain is 10 years old.
That is a good age for learning. And friends, I want to tell you something. I have a small bonus for you at the end of the lesson, a little surprise. I will not tell you now what it is. Please stay with us and enjoy the lesson.
Ooh, a secret bonus. I like that. Now I am extra curious.
Jake, are you ready to start with the first type of question?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start with the easiest one, please.
Yes, of course. We start with the most basic questions. Simple, but very important.
Good. Warm-up questions for my small brain.
Yes, let's warm your brain. Friends, our first type is yes/no questions. These are questions where the answer can be yes or no. They are very simple and very useful.
I like this type because I can just say yes or no.
To make yes/no questions, we often start with words like do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, will. Then we add the person and then the verb.
For example,
For example, do you like coffee? Are you tired? Was he at home? Will you come?
looks simple. Let's practice.
Friends, listen. I ask the question, you answer. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you live in Bristol?
Yes, I do.
Does she work here?
No, she doesn't.
Does he play tennis?
Yes, he does.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Is she ready?
No, she isn't.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is.
Were you at home yesterday?
Yes, I was.
Was he busy yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
You see, Jake, it is not so difficult. You were afraid, but you are doing very well.
Yeah, yes, I was a little scared, but my brain is still alive. That is good news.
Very good news. Now, when you know yes/no questions, we can move to the next type. There, we don't answer yes or no. We give real information. Don't worry, it is still simple.
Okay, I trust you. What is the next type?
Now we talk about WH questions. Questions with what, where, when, who, why, and how. Friends, WH questions are questions that ask for information. If I ask, do you like pizza? You can say yes or no. But if I ask, what pizza do you like? You must give information.
I like this. It feels like real conversation.
Let's practice. I will ask many WH questions. You answer with short, simple sentences. What is your name?
My name is Jake.
Where do you live?
I live in Bristol.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in March.
Who is your best friend?
Tom is my best friend.
Why are you happy today?
I am happy because I am here with you.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch films or listen to music.
Where do you study?
I study at a language school.
When do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Good, Jake. You see many different WH words in action.
Yes, and the pattern is clear. WH word plus question form plus subject plus verb.
For example, what do you like? Where do you live? When are you free?
It starts to feel natural.
Friends, you can use WH questions to make small talk and really get to know people. Now, when we know yes/no questions and WH questions, we can go to the next step. Sometimes we want to give people a choice in our question.
A choice, like, do you want tea or coffee?
Exactly. That is already a good example.
Oh, nice. So, next type is about choosing.
Yes. Let's look at choice questions. Friends, choice questions are questions where we offer two or more options. We often use the word or.
For example, do you want pizza or pasta?
Yes, perfect example.
So, the person must choose one option.
Let's practice, Jake. Do you want tea or coffee?
I want coffee.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Would you like pizza or salad?
I would like pizza.
Are you going by bus or by car?
I'm going by bus.
Do you want to watch a film or listen to music?
I want to watch a film.
Do you like summer or winter more?
I like summer more.
Do you want to sit here or there?
I want to sit here.
Will you travel to the mountains or to the sea?
I will travel to the sea.
Do you want a big size or a small size?
I want a medium size.
Good. Sometimes there is a third option. Would you like water or juice?
I would like juice, please.
Good work. These questions are very common in shops, cafes, restaurants, and normal life. Now, sometimes we want to check information and we want the other person to agree with us. For that, we have a special type of question.
I think I know. The little questions at the end of a sentence?
Yes, you know.
Something like, it's nice, isn't it?
Exactly. These are called tag questions. Friends, tag questions are small questions at the end of a sentence. We use them when we want to check information or when we think we know the answer and we want the other person to agree with us.
So it is like saying, I think this is true. Do you agree?
Yes, very good. Examples. It's cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
You like music, don't you?
Yes, I do.
She is your friend, isn't she?
Yes, she is.
He doesn't live here, does he?
No, he doesn't.
We are in the right room, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
You weren't late yesterday, were you?
No, I wasn't.
They will come tomorrow, won't they?
Yes, they will.
You don't smoke, do you?
No, I don't.
This lesson is long, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
But it's useful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. You are still here with us, aren't you, friends?
I hope they are.
Tag questions help your English sound more natural and friendly, but don't worry if they are difficult now. You can come back to them later. Now we move to another type of question, a type we use all the time to talk about ability, possibility, and permission.
Ability, possibility, permission. That sounds like can, could, right?
Very good, Jake. Yes. Our next type is with can and could.
Okay, let's look at them slowly.
Friends, questions with can and could are very important. We use can for ability now and for informal permission. Could for past ability or to sound more polite.
For example, can you swim asks about ability.
Yes. And could you swim when you were 5 is about ability in the past. We also sometimes use can to ask for permission. Can I go now? Could can also be used in a polite way. Could I ask a question? Let's practice with simple sentences. Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play a little.
Can she speak Spanish?
Yes, she can.
Can they cook well?
No, they can't.
Could you read when you were 4?
No, I couldn't.
Could your grandfather play football when he was young?
Yes, he could.
Can I go home now?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can.
Could you understand English when you were 10?
I could understand a little.
Can you speak any other languages?
I can speak a little French.
Could you speak French when you were a child?
No, I couldn't. I started later.
You see, friends, can and could help us talk about what we can do and what we could do in the past. Now we go to a very close type of question, also with can and could, but used in a special way for requests.
Oh, yes. Like, can you help me? And could you open the window?
Exactly. These are very important in polite English.
Okay, I am ready for type 6.
Friends, request questions are questions we use when we want something from another person. We often use can you, could you. Can you is friendly and normal. Could you is a little more polite and softer.
So if I say, can you help me, it is okay, but if I say, could you help me please, it sounds more polite.
Yes, that's correct. These questions are very useful in shops, in cafes, at work, in class, everywhere. Let's do some examples. I will ask, you answer like a polite person. Can you help me with this bag?
Yes, of course, I can help you.
Can you open the window, please?
Yes, I can open it.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, I can speak more slowly.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Yes, here you are.
Could you close the door, please?
Sure, I can close it.
Can you show me the way to the station?
Yes, go straight and then turn left.
Could you write it down for me, please?
Yes, I can write it down for you.
Can you call me later?
Yes, I can call you later.
Could you help me with my homework, please?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you bring me some water, please?
Yes, I can bring you some water. Here you are.
Thank you, Jake. You are very kind.
Friends, you see, can you and could you are very useful when we want to be polite and ask for help.
And friends, as I promised at the beginning, I have a small bonus for you. Later, after we finish all 11 types of questions, I will put many of these useful questions in the description of this video. So you can open the description, copy the questions, and use them.
Oh, that is great. I think our friends will really like this bonus. They can save the questions and practice anytime.
Now, we have finished the first 6 types of questions. In the next part, we will continue with more offers, suggestions, preferences, price and quantity, and should I questions.
Yes, more good stuff is coming. Friends, stay with us and let's continue in the next part of the lesson.
Friends, we have finished the first 6 types of questions, and you did a very good job. This lesson is a little long, so I decided to make it in 2 parts, so it is easier for you to watch and practice. Please take a short break, relax a little, and then come to the second part. In the next video, we will continue with more very useful question types: simple, clear, and important for real life.
Yes, friends, we are waiting for you in part 2. Get some tea or coffee and come back when you are ready. See you very soon.
See you in the next part, friends. Bye for now.